Let's go.
Colton, did you already go to evac? No, you're right. We had 2 minutes, we gotta book it. Everybody hop on.
Oh no. Everyone get in the car.
You gotta live dangerously. Alright.
I would have let you do it. Nobody would have judged you.
I thought about it.
Talk about living in.
Nope. Nobody would have gone down upon it.
Get out. Dude.
You gotta go!
Get in, get in, get in. I was just getting the samples.
Jalen!
Jalen, I'm trying.
Oh no! Oh no!
Jalen!
Oh!
How are you out of the truck?
You said get out!
For the samples that we were sitting on top of.
Dude, through the strafe and run. That's strafe and run. That was not on me.
Why were you just beaming at nothing?
Because I think was gonna call in a draw.
Why does it matter if we're gone?
I was expecting a strafe run to come out and wipe you guys out.
I'm still alive?
Yeah.
I thought I was dead.